Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm home. I don't have to go out and work, so I'm just going to be indoors cooking. Decided I'm going to make a meatloaf. It's going to be different types of meat. It's going to have turkey, pork, and hamburger. And I found one package of organic hamburger I'm just going to throw in the mix too. So it should be good. I added some eggs and some crackers, salt and pepper, and then a package of the meatloaf package. I'll divide that up and put that in there too. But other than that, and then I found a butternut squash and some cauliflower I'm going to steam. And actually, the butternut squash I'm going to just put in the oven with the meatloaf. So, but yeah, the dogs are clip clopping on the floor here, if that's what you hear. But I hope you're having a good day, and I hope that you'll have a good weekend. Today is Friday, and I'm excited it's Friday for some reason. I guess the end of the week. I didn't have an overly busy week, but I did keep busy. I made that wooden porch sign yesterday, and I'm so glad the way it turned out, except for the W on it. But anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.